share a small experience that we had this morning. At the moment, we are quarantined in the Bahamas on San Salvador Island. It's kind of the outer Bahamas. They're taking it pretty seriously. You know, we're sort of quarantined to the boat and the marina, but now and again we're allowed to take the tender out. And this morning, one of the crew members, Kristen, she saw out on the ocean what looked to be an overturned vessel. And so her and her husband Matt went out and took a look at it, and it was a giant, actually, piece of plastic, like a huge piece of plastic. It's too heavy to even pull into the boat. And so they came back, we all sort of assessed the situation, and we grabbed some scuba equipment because there was something hanging down below the plastic itself. We went out, super deep water, like 3,000 feet, and so we're in the blue, you know, and we dove down, Matt and I, and there was a satellite connected to this plastic. So what it was is this giant balloon, is this huge balloon connected to this satellite that was, I guess, crashed this morning. It's pretty beat up, but we've gotten in touch with the company. It's an internet satellite that delivers service to remote areas, and yeah, like what? It's so strange. Anyway, check this thing out. I think Kristen's getting the SIM cards out of this thing. Is that right?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, it's got solar panels. It's got these little, like, radar satellite dishes, I guess. It's insane. And then we got here, this is like an antenna that was on it, and all this plastic here. It's got to be 400 pounds. Was the actual balloon itself. So, yeah, we're living in strange times, and
so pretty freaky right there. But what I want to show you when you go back and look at this thing, it could be one of the loon balloons. But when I was looking at all the parts and pieces, and then I started looking at the pictures of when the Harvard scientists plan on blocking out the sun. Look at this. This looks exactly like what we're looking at that guy found out in the ocean. It's a pretty crazy, but you know the government's going to come jumping in and swoop in on them and take that stuff. And they're trying to get the SIM cards out. Probably shouldn't have did a video on that. Should have got it out first. But anyway, they'll probably be looking for them. But yeah, it's strange. It has the same kind of parabolic dishes. It just looks really close. And then you got the automatic balloon launching system, the patent. This invention relates to a system for automatically filling and launching balloons into the atmosphere. The subject of weather modification and control has been a source of interest and study for many years. I'm not going to read all this. I'll just leave the links.